you guys? Welcome back to my channel, and if you are new, welcome to my channel. So today, you guys, as you see from the title, I will be making a peanut butter banana smoothie. I wanted to use protein in this smoothie, but I did not have none on hand and I forgot to get some. But I wanted to go ahead and try this oat milk that I have seen in the grocery store, but I actually, you know how you see something but you don't see something? Like, I passed by it, I don't really pay attention, but I remember seeing it. I just never grabbed it, looked at it, read it, or whatever. But this time I decided to grab it because I did want to try it with my powdered peanut butter, and also I'm using a half a banana. And like I said, I don't have any protein powder that I really wanted to use with it, but I really wanted to go ahead and make it today. I feel like it's a good opportunity to make it, and of course show you guys how I do it and how it works with my, of course, BlendJet. So this, like I said, is oat milk. It is dairy free, peanut free, soy free, and it's gluten free. And this is actually the flavor of vanilla. So I'm just like super excited to try it. And it also is lactose free, free from tree nuts, I'm assuming. Free from tree nuts, free from artificial flavors, artificial colors, artificial preservatives. So you guys, I'm really excited to try it. And they also have different flavors or brands. I think they have like chocolate, dark chocolate, have original, and they have an extra creamy. And like I said, this is the vanilla flavor. I am so excited to try it. And this peanut butter is actually good. I got this from Sam's, I think. But I'll try to put a link down in the description box if you want to purchase some peanut butter powder. And this is also gluten-free and vegan. So all of this right here is pretty much a vegan meal replacement. You know, get your banana if you want some protein powder. You can add that as well, which there is a protein powder that I love to use. I'll put it here on the screen. I love to use this protein powder. It's vegan, it's lactose free, all of those things that are in dairy products or that are dairy products, that is not with this protein powder. That's why I love it. So you guys, without further ado, let's get started. This actually tastes really good. I kind of like this. This is pretty good. I thought maybe it would taste like, I don't know, a little different from almond milk, of course, because it's almond milk and this is oat milk, but it actually tastes good. And then I could taste, of course, the peanut butter and the banana. But this is really good. And I know with my protein would have just set it off. It would have been really good. Really, really good. But this is really good. But yeah, I recommend this. This is really good, you guys. So you guys, on to the next product that I wanted to show you all that I picked up from the grocery store is Pretzel Crisp by Snack Factory. You guys, I have never tried these before. As I said, like the other products, I've seen them in the grocery store, but I haven't actually picked them up. I'm actually on a Facebook group, and I seen a couple of ladies talk about these and how great they were. So I wanted to try them for myself. This one right here is called Everything. It has garlic powder, onion powder, sesame seeds, poppy seeds. I wanted to try this one. And this one is the sea salt and cracked pepper. I wanted to try this as well. And what I'll be doing, since they have a little avocado on the front, I'm going to be using my little avocado. I'm going to use some on the pretzel just to see how it tastes. So without further ado, let me show you how it looks. Time you open it, you can smell the garlic and the onion inside. And this is how thin it is. You can see the poppy seeds and the sesame seeds on top. And my little bowl here. I think I'm going to put avocado on this one as well. See how this one looks. And this is the salted and cracked pepper. Okay. So I put them in the bowl. Let me cut my avocado. What I'm going to do is just take a little out of it and put it onto, just kind of spread it on my cracker some. Okay, don't want to spread. Okay. So what I'm going to do is add a little, you know what? I'm not going to add anything on it. I'm going to try it just like it is. Time to give it a try. Actually, these are good. If you like pretzels, I think that you'll like these. That's really good. I mean, I love avocado anyway. Okay, with this one, I think I'm going to try it first without the avocado. And then I'm going to try the avocado on it. These are actually good too. But these, it's good to, you could put some kind of salsa on top. I know that tastes good. These are great. Okay. Well, look, you see I ate the other piece without avocado. I recommend these as well. These are really good. And I'm actually going to try the other flavors. But I do recommend these. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to give me a thumbs up. And if you like videos like this, be sure to comment down below and let me know. If you would like to see more videos like this, I would be glad to do it because I do like to try new things and, you know, let you guys know how it is. So be sure to subscribe if you haven't already subscribed to my channel. And I will see you guys in the next one.